Okay, so we have a bit of time after work, so we're gonna explore some woods. So these ones are called bleeding bonnet mushrooms. Very common. You can pretty much find them anywhere in the woods. First fungi find. Another cool mushroom find. I'm not sure exactly what this one is. Okay. Now, I don't think these are turkey tail. These are a polypore of some sort. I don't know the specific name of them, but still pretty cool. Pretty cool. A bigger cluster of those same polypores I was showing you back there. Oh. Oh. Another one of these ones. I don't know what they are. Huh. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I am way off the beaten trail by now. But I'm marking as I go, so I'm not lost. Just way off the beaten trail. Pretty cool.